Mating variable. Rena chahasho agus a shinadul Ionnsaich òran and you. Good morning everyone, it's Rachel here, back finally, and we're going to learn a song today. Now it has been a while since I've done a video where you can see me. As you can see, I've been slightly damaged. Sticking. Been slightly damaged. Bhreist an orst agaram agus chai moloscach agus bhreist an casaram codjach mar sin hamiaich bhí le chin bhchelm unia vor. So that's why you've not been getting videos as regularly as you used to, and I'm probably still not going to be uploading weekly or twice weekly as I used to for a while yet. So we're just learning a short song today to hopefully get back in the habit of it. There's only 4 lines to this song, so I'll sing it to you, you will recognise the tune, and then we'll go through it line by line. Sjálvan snjachka, tjena nos, femi mi mochota, hai voor, sjálvan snjachka, tjena nos, femi mi mochota, hai voor. Agus ha mé éis dean in America dói fear bhfuil sneach a bhíann, mar sin a sin a Ionnsaich an òran sin scas go bhfuil sin a bhí numach jaun. So, the first line, Seall an sneachge. Seall an sneachge. Seall is, of course, look. I have a book somewhere. No, I think it's in another room. I have a book somewhere that's called Seall is Farech, Look and Touch. It's a child's book. But there isn't actually tactile things in the book like children's books that say that usually have. So I'm not sure why it's called that. But anyway, Seall is look, and an sneachge is the snow. An sneachge. So Seall and sneachge. Look at the snow. The second line is Cheing an noas. Cheing an noas. Cheing is coming, and an noas is an up. English, of course, has up and down, or upwards and downwards. Gaelic has 3 words for up and 3 words for down, which all mean slightly different things. But the basic is shias, which is down, and suas, which is up. So then you have hias and huas, which are the states of being down and up, and aneas, which is undown, which is up from below, and anoas, which is unup, which is therefore down from above. So snow comes from the clouds, it's coming anoas, unup. Cheing anoas. And the third line is Femi mi mochota. This is the longest line. Femi mi mochota. Femi mi mochota. Femi is need. Me, of course, is me. So femi me, I need, and then mochota, my coat. Cota is a loan word from English. So femi mi mochota, I need my coat. And since I've come to North America, I've acquired a lovely thick coat, which is over the other side of the room and not here to show you, but you will see it in a moment. And the last line is ha I for. Ha I for. Which, if you've covered the weather section on Duolingo, you'll know means it's cold. Ha I for. And the tune, you might have noticed, is Frère Jacques. So, Sjálvan snjachke, Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, tjena noas, sonny la matina, which is femi mi mochota, and then ding dang dong is hi for. So I hope you all know Frère Jacques, because otherwise that will make no sense. Why is she speaking French? I don't know. Is she Canadian? No, I'm not Canadian. Nor am I in Canada, which has probably given away my location. Anyway, so let's sing it, and you can sing it in a round. So I'll sing it now all the way through, and then through the magic of Audacity will overlay my voice on top of my voice and sing it as a round, and that will end the video, which has turned out to be longer than I expected it to be for a 4-line song. Sin bhfuam sa aníist. That's all from me for today. Agus am an dáchas gan bhaith mi sibh sa nach video. I hope I see you all in the next video. Seall sneachda, Seall sneachda, Ionnsaich, Femi mi mochota, ha I for. Seall sneachda, Seall sneachda, Ionnsaich, Seall sneachda, Ionnsaich,